Crafting clarity, an exploration of reporting verbs. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our series on intermediate English grammar. Today, we're diving into the world of reported speech, specifically focusing on how to create sentences with reporting verbs. By the end of this video, you'll be able to use these verbs to report what someone said more accurately and naturally. Reporting verbs are used when you want to tell someone else what you or a third person said. We often use say and tell, but these aren't the only options. There are many other verbs like inform, suggest, claim, advise, and more. Each one adds a bit of specificity to how, why, or in what manner the original words were spoken. Let's look at some examples. 1. He said he was tired. Neutral. 2. She claimed she had finished the work. Possibly doubtful. 3. I advised him to take a rest. Suggesting a better course of action. 4. They informed us that the meeting was cancelled. Officially passing on information. Now that we know what reporting verbs are and have seen a few examples, let's try creating sentences with them. The general structure is subject plus reporting verb plus that, if, whether plus reported speech. You can use this structure to make your own sentences. For example, Laura advised that we should take the earlier train. The teacher asked if we had completed the assignment. It's time to put our knowledge into practice. Let's take some basic sentences using say and tell, and change them to use different reporting verbs. Original. John said he didn't want to go to the party. Revised. John expressed that he didn't want to go to the party. Original. I told them I was moving to New York. Revised. I informed them that I was moving to New York. Remember, practice is key when learning new vocabulary and structures. Well, that's all for today's lesson on reporting verbs. I hope this video helps you to better understand and apply these verbs in your daily conversations. Keep practicing, and soon using reporting verbs will be second nature to you. As always, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy studying!